This is the 1990 Wellcraft 4250. It is a gas engine sun deck motorcraft with twin Crusader 454s. The owner of this boat here has spent the last 2 years and nearly $100,000 completely re-outfitting her. He rebuilt the engines, redid the interior, redid the exterior, just about everything except for the only thing that's left is the electronics package. Still needs to be done. Of course, I came up here to film this thing, and it turns out a bunch of birds took some giant shits on it. So imagine it without it. That will certainly be cleaned up. I might have to redo this without it. Let's climb aboard. You'll see that the canvas here, this is all brand new glass and canvas, completely surrounds the whole thing. You'll notice these steps. This right here again, mind the bird shit, but the steps themselves are this great composite decking, and he has had that done throughout the boat. Here you have aft seating as well. Again, all this is going to get washed. Before we go in, just do a quick walk around on the decking here. See up here, the radar tower. This radar is inoperable, so this boat comes without radar at the present moment. Again, putting this composite decking up on here. Here on the front, you've got the spotlight, as well as the looks like the original Maxwell on there, but it does work. It is a newer stainless steel anchor on here that he had done, but just a giant deck on the front here. You can see the snaps here. I'm unsure if he has it, but I've seen cushions put up there in this area. Great for sunning out. Just a terrific island boat. You take it to where you want to go. It gets up to 23 knots and beat everybody to the spot, set anchor, and you just have a great time on here. Coming in, you see the interior here. All this, that's sun shining on that. But all here, this is new. The near interior upholstery done. Before this could all be put up, the rains got in, and it's unfortunate because it warped this area here and warped this area here. As you can see, it's kind of just composite on there. I'm sure that is something the owner will be glad to take off the price of the boat. Over here, you also have your outside sink. You've got your fridge, outdoor fridge and ice maker here. It's locked up, and I'm with one hand me. And then you've got your helm seat right here as well. Now the dashboard is the original dashboard that's on here. Additions he made are Bluetooth audio here, and he's got speakers lined throughout the boat. So I got the important stuff out of the way, and so that's good. A VHF, a newer VHF, and then it's inside now, but he has a Simrad GPS touchscreen there, so that's nice. All these gauges do work. Again, you got that kind of classic touch. There are a few buttons here that are stuck to the stereo and this AC. The horn also is without, does not work. It's kind of interesting. But batteries here, yep, do their thing. And so there, most of the stuff works on here. Just a few of the little things that do not. Got a lot of the safety things. Now let's go down in the cabin. Here you've got the privacy door that shuts and opens here. You can see this nice glass outfitting that he had done. I'm going to give props to the Everett crew that did this. So It Matters Custom Upholstery by Jessica. Absolutely call her if you are anywhere in the Puget Sound. She does travel and does amazing stuff for fair prices. So let's go on down below. All right. You can see the upholstery, new upholstery that he had done here. New upholstery on the walls as well. Track lighting that he had done. Just super impressive. Carpeting. All the carpeting here is in fabulous shape. It's so good, I'm kicking off my shoes. Here are the light systems that he has. As you can see, it turns out there. Turns back on. Got the whole paneling system. All right here, along with the battery check. This right here also warps to the generator. And I'm going to show you the whole engine compartment as well. Also, you have in here central vacuum, food center, hot water, TV stereo. A lot of really important things. So, looking on through here, you can see some of the speaker systems that he had done. This right here is the TV setup that he had put on here. See if I can make it do anything. Channel 6. Home. Always go home, I guess. See, so you can come here. I think you can Bluetooth this to your phone or hook it up to Wi-Fi and, have a day. Sitting on the water watching some Netflix and chilling. Here you've got the Webasto heater, diesel heater. Comes through a couple of vents in the area here, and a couple other places as well. Liquor cabinet, prominent, front and center. Great electric stove here. Induction stove. Excuse me. Induction stove that you got. Ceramic microwave. Awesome new fridge with freezer component down below. Really a nice setup again in here. Let's see. And these guys. Looks like we got some light bulb issues. Sometimes they want to go. Go one more time, huh? There she is. So there's the kitchen, the galley in all its full glory. Turn our way over here to the main cabin in the V-berth. Here you've got a fabulous setup here with the mirror and stool in the settee area. Of course, the whole queen-size bed that you have in here. Plenty of closet space. Here you've got a marine air system. So along with the cabin heating, which is great, you have dedicated cabin heating, and then you also have the actually dedicated air conditioning on this boat as well. Here you got LED lit closet spaces as well on each side here. This one's not LED, but one of them, so that's pretty cool. Here is your private entrance to the bathroom with its own mirror, but you can also have an entrance right here. So you have a two-way entrance here to your head. Shut that there, and you can see you get a full mirror on there. Take note of these awesome customary lights that you have here. You got mirrors just about everywhere on the boat. So pretty sweet there. Sweet glass. Let's see how that looks. And shut these down. And again, you can see kind of the sweet complementary lights that you have in the area there. So moving on up here, I was gonna shut this guy, kind of show you that aspect there. And so when that's shut there, you have all the glass and the light, just a lot of good, both natural light and electrical light in this dome. So this concludes the exterior interior. Check out the next video to look at the engines and their rebuild.